In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal account. This is a handy way to make the most of your gift card by using it for online purchases through PayPal's secure platform. Let's dive right into the process to help you get started. First, open your web browser and head over to PayPal's website. If you're not already familiar, simply type in paypal.com and press enter. Once you're on the website, you will want to locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your account credentials. If you don't have a PayPal account, you'll need to sign up, but for today, we're assuming you already have one. Proceed to log in by entering your email and password, then hit enter, or click on login. Once logged in, you might be prompted to verify your identity, especially if you're accessing your PayPal account from a new device or location. You'll typically see instructions to get a verification code via WhatsApp or text message. Choose your preferred method and then check your phone for the code. Enter it into the designated field on the PayPal website to proceed. This additional step makes sure your account is safe and that you are the person trying to access it. Now that you're in your PayPal account, you'll land on the summary or home page. From here, locate the wallet option in the menu. It's generally accessible from the top bar or under a menu on mobile devices. Click on Wallet to open up your account's financial summary. Inside the wallet section, you should see an option that says link a card or bank. Clicking this will open a form for you to enter your card information. At this point, make sure you have your Visa gift card handy. Input the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code usually found on the back of the card. PayPal might also ask you for the card's billing address. This is typically the address where the card was registered, so you may want to check any accompanying documentation that came with your gift card. After you've entered all the necessary details, review them carefully to ensure there are no mistakes. This will help avoid any issues with verification or future transactions. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the link card button to finalize the process. And that's it, your Visa gift card is now added to your PayPal account. You can start using it for online purchases, leveraging the secure and convenient platform that PayPal provides. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore PayPal's help resources or leave a comment below.